Hi everyone, I'm Kseny. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Qigong routine that you can use to shake off stress and tension and feel good and balanced. It's especially good after work or just before you go into a meeting, or if you feel stressed during the exams, or just any time when you build that tension and you want to let go, release, and just shake it all off. So please join me and practice this 10-minute Qigong routine. Begin standing up straight, relax your whole body. Bring the hands together and rub gently to generate heat. In Qigong, our hands have a direct link to our heart. By rubbing the hands, we stimulate and tonify the heart. It helps to lift the mood and feel good about yourself. Do this for about 60 seconds. Then dry wash your hands, covering the back and the sides, and then slowly let go, release by the sides. Next move is a simple hip and torso swing. Begin by turning your hips and waist to the side. As you turn, keep your back nice and straight. Allow the hands to naturally follow the body. Imagine that your spine extends way beyond your body as a nice vertical axis. So your body turns around that axis from side to side, keeping the neck and shoulders nice and relaxed. We do that for about a minute. Gentle slapping of the hands will begin to massage the muscle. Helps to ease the joints, allowing the blood to travel freely up and down the back, into the arms and legs. Then from here, we're going to come up to the chest and knock just under the collarbone, while the other hand gently lands on the lower back. This will stimulate the vital acupressure points on the back and the chest, giving you that natural boost of energy. Inhale as you tap and turn, exhale to the other side. Do this chest and back tapping for about 60 seconds. And then slowly release and come back to center. Put your hands away from your body and notice how your body feels. Observe the sensations. Your back should feel nice and relaxed. Next, slowly begin to shake your wrists. It's a good way to loosen up the wrist and the joints and let go of tension. Continue shaking your wrists for about 30 seconds. Then gently begin to shake the elbows. Be mindful of the motion. You want to create a feeling of relaxation and ease, releasing the tension and promoting a healthy blood flow up and down the arms. Do that for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then gently raise your hands to about shoulder height and gently let go, dropping the hands down. you want to drop and release the tension from the neck and shoulders. Lift your hands up and then gently let go. Do this for about 60 seconds. Inhale as you raise your hands up. Exhale as you let go. Again, remember to take it easy on yourself. If your shoulders are sensitive or you're recovering from injury, you can use a different version of this exercise by simply raising your shoulders to your ears, then slowly releasing down. Otherwise, continue with this version. From here, bend your knees and start slowly bouncing on your heels. In Qigong, this bouncing technique is often referred to as shaking off 100 ills. It's good for shaking off stress and tension from the neck and shoulders, the back and the hips. It also promotes a gentle massage for the internal organs, which is good for digestion. I like to put my favorite music and simply enjoy the loosening of the muscle. Let your mind release any thoughts as you bounce and simply enjoy the sensations in your body. Be mindful of your own mobility range. If your knees are sensitive and can't quite handle the pressure, feel free to adjust the movement by switching from external shaking to gentle vibrations. You can do this for about 60 seconds, but feel free to go on and bounce for a little longer. When you're finished, put your hands down by the side and notice how your body feels. Breathe in, breathe out. And again, breathe in, breathe out. The next move that we're going to do is called lifting the sky. Take a nice deep inhale and raise your hands up and over the head. Then bend your knees, turn your hands facing up. Gently press out, stretching upward. Turn your hands and press down, exhaling and releasing. Repeat this 6 times. Inhale and reach up, pressing out towards the sky. Exhale, release down. And again, inhale all the way up. Don't strain to stretch. Allow your body to lengthen as if the hands were being lifted up toward the sky. Then relax the body, exhale out and let the breath to melt away any tightness and tension. And the last exercise is going to be Qigong head tapping. Quickly warm up your hands again and begin gently by tapping on the forehead, lightly with your fingers. Then come to the head, focus on the crown of the head, then move to the back, tap behind the ears and down the neck. Our head is always on, and that's why it constantly needs fat. We often hold tension in our neck and shoulders that stops a smooth blood and qi circulation up to the head. When we release the tension and ease up, we allow the blood to flow naturally to the head, bringing oxygen-rich blood to the brain. Then come to the back of the head where head connects the neck and tap there for a few seconds. And we're going to take a nice deep inhale and easy long exhale, bringing the hands down in the center of the body. Relax your hands by the side and notice how your body feels. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel better and see you next time.